Welcome back to our news TV. I am Megha Verma. Let's have a look on a special story.
Inauguration of Satyashyam Tower at Maharaja Agrasen Technical Education Society's Rohini campus. Maharaja Agrasen Technical Education Society, MATES, celebrating its silver jubilee this year, marked the inauguration of the Satyashyam Tower with great fanfare and in accordance with Vedic tradition at its Rohini campus. The event was graced by distinguished guests and officials of the society. The ceremony began with the installation of a statue of Maharaja Agrasen Ji by the society's officials, followed by a floral tribute to the statue of goddess Saraswati. The 10-story Satyasham Tower, a massive academic building, was officially inaugurated under the leadership of Dr. Nand Kishore, founder and chief advisor of MAIDS, and Vineet Kumar Gupta Lohia, chairman Lohia Global Delhi, Moradabad. They were joined by his brothers Vipin Gupta, Vinay Gupta, and Vibhor Gupta. The inauguration was also attended by the chief guest Satnarayan Gupta, founder, chairman, and managing director of Bharat Rasayan Limited, and Dinesh Prem Sagar Goyal of Shubh Katha Industries, along with S.C. Tayal and Anand Gupta, who jointly performed the ceremonial breaking of the coconut and led the Vedic rituals. Sumitra Devi Garg, accompanied by Rajkumar, Dr. Vikas Garg, Vivek Garg, Vinayak Garg, Vedansh Garg, S.C. Tayal, Ashish Tayal, Vinita Jain, Vandana Jain, Dr. Ruchi Agrawal, cut the ribbon to inaugurate the 3 high-tech lifts of the Satyashyam Tower. The society extended a warm welcome to all the guests present at the occasion. Chief guest Satnarayan Gupta, Dinesh Prem Sagar Goyal were honored with bouquet, shawls, and mementos of Maharaja Agrasen. Additionally, the Lohia family, including Vineet Kumar Gupta and his wife Kumkum Gupta, Vipin Gupta, Vinay Gupta, Vibhor Gupta, along with S.C. Tayal, Ishwar Garg, and his wife Darshana Garg, Mohan Garg, Vinod Garg, and his wife Shashi Garg, Vivek Garg, and Dr. Nand Kishore Garg and his wife Usha Garg, T.R. Garg, and Anand Gupta were also felicitated with the tokens of appreciation. The event also recognized the contributions of the building committee chairman S.C. Tayal, building constructions contractor Ram Sahai Anuragi, and engineer Surendra Kumar Gupta, Arun Rai, Virendra Kumar, Manoj Kumar, and Jitendra Tevatia, who were honored with floral tributes, shawls, and mementos of Maharaja Agrasen. During the event, Dr. Nand Kishore Garg highlighted the advanced feature of the new academic building, spanning an area of 1 lakh square kilometer. The 10-story Satyashyam Tower boasts over 60 air-conditioned smart classrooms, an air-conditioned mini conference hall with a capacity of 200 people, an air-conditioned information and communication technology center, and 5 state-of-the-art computer laboratories. The tower will house the Maharaja Agrasen Business School, the Department of Law at Maharaja Agrasen Management Studies, and the Computer Science and Engineering Department of Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, offering modern educational facilities with free Wi-Fi access for students. Prominent attendees including Jagdish Mittal, S.P. Goyal, O.P. Goyal, Rajneesh Gupta, Gyanchandra Agrawal, Ishwar Garg, Mohan Garg, Vivek Garg, Shivendra Gupta, Jay Kumar, Vinod Kumar Garg and his wife Shashi Garg, Director General of MAIT, Professor Desai, Dr. S.K. Garg, MAID Director Professor Neelam Sharma, MAIMS Director Dr. Rajni Malhotra Dhingra, and MABS Director Dr. Sanjeev Marwa were also present at the event.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching our news TV. If you like this video, then share it and subscribe this channel. Thank you.